everyone, this is Cindy Nazario in Cindy's Head 27 Instagram. Here I have my cousin with me today. His name is Isaias Hernandez. You can follow him on Instagram as well. Isaias Hernandez 338, right? Sure. Okay. Well.
Is it? I think, I don't know.
Okay. Well, today I have my cousin here to tell you guys about how the 10x Pure 1000 from the CTFO actually helped him. He took it for about a month. So tell us what medications, what were you taking medications for prior to taking the 10x Pure from CTFO?
Same medications for nerve pain, for belt pain.
For nerve pain?
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Gabapentin, Rotin, hydrocodone before, then
Hydrocodone?
hydrocodone before, then it gave me amoxicillin for a while, and then...
Give you what?
Amoxicillin.
Amoxicillin?
This is how the pain too, it takes some infection away.
Uh-huh.
Then bunch of about 8 pain medications.
Leg pain?
Yeah, for the leg pain. Since I got hurt mostly.
Okay. And then so then when you stopped taking the medications, your pain, the ones that were prescribed, and you were only taking the CBD, the 10x Pure from CTFO, how long did it take until you actually started to experience relief?
I was told it could take up to about 2-3 weeks or more, but I started noticing like in about a week.
Like in about a week? Wow, okay.
So I started taking less of the other ones and just the drops, and it helped.
Okay.
I didn't have to take so many of the other ones or the pills and all.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
the
cool.
They had given me some like icy hot stuff to rub on my knees too, my legs, and I didn't have to use that either.
Oh, so they also had like topical creams like for pain that you just apply in the area, and that was from the doctor, and then you didn't even have to use that no more either. Okay, that's what's up. That's cool. So then after you took it for a whole month, so would you buy it again? Would you purchase it again?
I would, yeah, if I started hurting again, because it was a good product, and then I have to use it a lot, and it didn't mess up my guts. Like sometimes some of them upset your stomach or whatever, and that just help with the pain. That's supposed to.
And I think that's also that's good too, that it didn't cause you to have like upset stomach, nothing like that, because the products from CTFO are all natural, so they don't put any man-made chemicals into it. So it's just the concentrate. It's concentrate because so when your glands, you put the drops under your tongue, and then your glands are gonna absorb that. So it's just so that the way that your body can your body can actually easily absorb the CBD.
Oh, and it was 10x.
That's why.
10x Pure, I think it was.
Yeah, Super Gold 1000 10x Pure.
Mm-hmm. A, I think, cause I don't know if it was an A or B, but the one I had an A on it.
Oh yeah, it was CBDa. So CBDa is actually not available with any other company. CTFO is the only company that has it right now.
I got it because someone that works with CTFO sent it to me to try it out as a trial. Mm-hmm. When I was using the medication, so maybe it help them.
Okay, but right now you're not taking any pain medicine. Mm-hmm. Nothing for pain.
No.
Okay. But if you were to start experiencing pain again, would you get your medicine?
No.
You would go with the 10x Pure from CTFO?
Yes.
Okay.
So medicine, you just give me more medicine, because the side effects, and all another medication for that, and then more.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Oh, the memory's full. Oh no, my battery died. Oh, it still works?